Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Thanksgiving nail art tutorial video for you. Many of you probably know in the United States we do celebrate Thanksgiving, and even though I am originally from Europe and this is not necessarily a holiday that I personally celebrate, I still do enjoy it, especially surrounded by my family and friends here in the States. It's a really interesting experience, and this week's theme through our Facebook group is actually Thanksgiving, so I decided to join into the collab, and in today's video I will show you how I got my Thanksgiving manicure. As always, you will find everything in the description box, including the links to all of the ladies who joined into this collab, and at the end of my video you will also find all the pictures showcasing all the beautiful manicures. If you do celebrate Thanksgiving, then happy Thanksgiving. I hope you are able to spend it with your friends and family. It's going to be on Thursday, so it's 2 days from now. And if you do enjoy nail art tutorial videos just in general, then please give me a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss out on any of my upcoming videos, then I will also appreciate if you hit the subscribe button. I believe that's it for my rambling, but guys, if you do have any questions, comments, leave them for me in the comment section, and I really do appreciate each and every one of you, and I'm very thankful because only you are the reason that I'm still going and I'm still enjoying what I'm doing here on YouTube and on Instagram. So thank you so much to everybody who had been with me for a while, or even if you're new here, I really appreciate you, and I do hope that you will stick around. So let's get into the nail art tutorial now, and I will be back for with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.